Hey guys, Shiom here from Pi classes. So today we are going to talk about our next topic, creating, dropping and selecting database in SQL. And in the end we will also do some practical of it. So moving to our first topic, create database. The SQL create database statement is used to create a new SQL database. The basic syntax of create database statement is as follows, like create database and database name. And always remember that the database name should be unique within the RDBMS. And this is the example given below. Create database and textdb semicolon, where textdb is the database name. Moving to our next topic, drop database. So the SQL drop database statement is used to drop an existing database and SQL schema. So the basic syntax of create database statement is as follows. Drop database and database name semicolon. And always be careful before using this operation because deleting an existing database result in the loss of complete information and you cannot restore it again. So this is the example of dropping the database. Drop database testdb semicolon, where testdb is the name of database. Now moving to our next topic, which is select database. The SQL use statement is used to select any existing database in SQL schema. So following is the syntax given below. The use database name and semicolon. And remember that the database name should be unique. As you can see, this is the example given below. Use testdb semicolon, where testdb is the database name. When you have multiple databases in your SQL schema, then before starting your operation, you would need to select a database where all the operations would be performed. So you can check the available databases and select any one of them. So then you have to use this query. So now let's have some practical. Here we are going to learn how to create database and how to use it and how to drop the database. As you can see that I have MySQL Workbench software opened up and I have connected to the server right by typing in my password. So now in the text editor we will type our queries. So first we will create the database, then we will use it and then we will delete this database. As we have talked in our video how to create database, we will follow that query. So first we will type create database, then database name test db, uh, test db and semicolon, and then we have to press the key combination control enter. As you can see in the action output that it is in the green tick and it is successfully run. So as you can see that there is a new database created in the output screen. You have to just refresh it first. So as you can see that this is the database created in our MySQL. Now if we want to use that database, we have to use it first. So how can we do it? So query will be like this: use, and we have to just put the name of database name, which is test db, and semicolon, and just press the key combination of control enter. So as you can see, it is successfully run. So now if we want to delete this, how can we do that? So let's see. So just write the query drop database and database name, which is testdb. That's it, and semicolon. So just run it by simple pressing key combination control enter. So as you can see, that this is also successfully run, and we can see that our database is deleted. Now it's time for quiz. Let's put your knowledge to the test. So these are the three basic questions which I have talked about in this video. So just pause the video and try to think of the answers. I think you have chosen your answer. So these are the right answers. So that's it for the video. In the next video, we will cover our next topic.